Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LYNX finance token. Now this is a brand new token that's getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 15th, on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is LYNX, LYNX. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it says LYNX Finance is a groundbreaking decentralized exchange and liquidity marketplace on the Linea chain and is coming to Mexc Global. It is being listed on Mexc starting February 15th at 12 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol LYNX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, they have their webpage at lynex.fi, so that's short for finance, obviously. You can find their contract address on lineascan.build, and they have a Twitter that I always put up right here at LynexFI. Their Telegram is at LynexFI. And if you go to their webpage, you can also find a full white paper, and that'll take you over to lynex.gitbook.io. So the native liquidity layer and ALM marketplace on Linea. LYNX stands as a groundbreaking decentralized exchange and liquidity marketplace on the Linea blockchain. It's a hub where users and decentralized autonomous organizations can engage in a variety of actions within our dynamic protocol ecosystem. LYNX allows for token swapping, earning LYNX tokens as a liquidity provider, receiving voter bribes, and influencing the direction of emissions to maximize trading revenue. The story of LYNX began with a team deeply rooted in the decentralized finance world, rich in experience and driven by a vision to innovate. Our journey took a pivotal turn with the advent of Solidly, a platform that intrigued us with the possibilities that also highlighted areas for improvement. Inspired by the success stories of Thena, Velodrome, and others in the Solidly ecosystem, we embarked on creating LYNX, a DEX designed to offer enhanced features with a community-centric approach. So LYNX envisions transforming decentralized finance into a more inclusive and innovative, shaping a fair global economy. Our vision is to elevate DeFi through a sustainable, community-driven approach, breaking down geographical and socio-economic barriers to create a universally accessible financial ecosystem. Our mission is to revolutionize DeFi by providing a user-friendly, transparent, and secure liquidity layer. We aim to empower every DeFi participant, ensuring easy and convenient access to our platform. By focusing on community-centric values and fostering a supportive environment, LYNX is dedicated to leading DeFi innovation, making it more accessible and advantageous for everyone. So they have here the tokenomics on their page. So it says, breaking down the supply, LYNX tokenomics are carefully crafted to encourage positive engagement and align the interests of all ecosystem participants for mutual benefit. Initial VE LYNX positions will be distributed to various groups and early adopters to kickstart their involvement in the LYNX ecosystem. However, in line with the VE model, sustained participation is essential to maintain long-term value and drive the protocol's success. So there is an initial supply of 100 million LYNX tokens. And how it is split up here, we got 22% of the tokens being distributed to community and protocol airdrops. 18% goes to the team. 25% goes to pre-seed, strategic, private sale, and public sale. 15% goes to the DAO treasury. 3% initial liquidity, 4% ecosystem fund, 5% marketing and advisors, and 8% pre-mining campaign. So they have community airdrops, protocol airdrops. Now on their on their document section at lynex.gitbook.io, if you want to review information about how to use the protocol and just what the protocol is, they have a section here on the vote escrow mechanics. I just mentioned VE. Then there's swapping, active liquidity management, concentrated liquidity, our foundations. They have all this stuff on their document section here. So they have different forms of the LYNX token. So they have the LYNX token, VE LYNX, O LYNX, and then BVE LYNX, and you can learn all about those on their document section as well. They also have info about LYNX keys, brand assets, team information, TGE campaigns, beta DEX launch. All their socials are on here as well. Their DApp is on here, and they looks like they have audits too as well. So you can check out their audit report here by Secure3. So they did one of their audits. Open Zeppelin, Peck Shield. So they have all different audits for different things as well. Hexens, Hacken, and ABDK Consulting. So tons of different audits. Very well established project. Their Twitter has 51,200 Twitter followers. And I'm going to put that up right here. You will see there's a full link tree on there. A link to their webpage. Blue verified checkmark. Almost 700 tweets. Go check it out at LynXFi. You'll see their brand new listing announcement there for MEXC Global. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.